Hello, and welcome to That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. Now, this is the premiere episode. My plan is to see if I can't do a YouTube channel and share a lot more of this. So let's try this right now. The first thing we have to ask ourselves is, why? Why do we have hot dogs in the freezer? Well, I like to experiment with food. My wife complains I don't write down recipes, which is true for the most part. She has asked me over the years, that was good, did you write it down? And I'll run in and I'll immediately write it down so maybe I can get it close the next time, but not all the time. So why do we have hot dogs in the freezer? The hot dogs are in the freezer for those occasional times when things don't turn out exactly the way you expected. Like the great oatmeal incident, when I promised everyone that I would make them homemade whole oats oatmeal. Had the water boiling, added a little salt, added the oatmeal. Only problem was I was using table salt instead of kosher salt, and as some of you may know, kosher salt and table salt are not the same. Table salt kind of measures heavier, so if you put in the same amount of table salt as you would kosher salt, you could probably melt the snow in the driveway with that. But that's just one example of why we have hot dogs in the freezer. Tune into my channel, like it, join up, whatever this whole YouTube thing is. I don't know how this works yet. I'll figure it out as we go along, and hopefully you can help me out as we go. Anyway, thank you for That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer, and I'll see you next time.